In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a free GitHub account from your computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open a browser. I'm going to use Safari browser, but it's fine if you are using any other browser. And then you have to access this link, github.com. Once you are in github.com, then you will see this type of page is there. And to sign up, you just need to click the sign up button. Here is the sign up button. We just need to click here, and very shortly it will bring this type of window. Here you will see on the left side it is mentioning create your free account, and if you click this small drop down arrow, you will see what are the features are available under free account. So let's see how we can create this thing. If you already have a Google account or Apple account or iCloud account, you can directly sign up through those links. But here I'm going to create the free account using my own email and password. So here we need to type firstly the email, then you have to type a strong password, then you have to type our chosen email, not email, username, and then we have to mention the country, and finally we need to check this thing if we want to receive occasional product updates, but I'm not interested for this checkbox. So I'm going to fill all this input, and then I'm going to press this create button. I just completed all the information, and then I'm going to press create account button, and very shortly we'll see this type of information, verification complete, and here it is showing that we have sent a code to this email address. I'm going to open the mail account. So this mail just came from GitHub, and here I see there is a code. I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to jump the GitHub page, and I'm going to paste the code, and very shortly it will be in this page. Here it is mentioning your account was created successfully. Please sign in to continue. Now I'm going to type my email address and password one more time just to sign in, and then I'm going to press the sign in button, and here it is showing, and if the email address and password is correct, then we'll be in this type of page. And that's it. It's very simple. In this way we can easily create a GitHub account, and now we can add a repository, or we can save our local code to here.